Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya Narayanam Namaskrityam Naram Chaiva Narottamam Devim Saraswatim Vyasam Tato Jayamutiraye. So, Bhagavad Gita, first chapter, shloka number 8, 9 and 10. So, these shlokas, these three shlokas, is a conversation by Duryodhana to his army members, to his fellow soldiers, to his generals and commanders. So lot of diplomacy is here. So in today's class, we are taking a main topic of leadership. Today we are going to discuss about leadership. One side, the leadership, there are two methods of leadership. One is by respect, love, care, service. Another side is by diplomacy, cunning, cheating, exploiting, and by power. Leaders can manage the subordinates. Leaders can lead a community. Leaders can be a role model and inspiration by two methods. One is by faith and love, another is by force. So one is love and care, inspiration, enthusiasm, service attitude, and another is diplomacy, cunning, cheating, exploiting, and these are the two methods. So this is the main principal point of discussion today. So here the method used by Duryodhan is diplomacy, cunning, cheating, and all these things. So that's a basic idea. So the first shloka, shloka number 8, where Duryodhana is saying, Bhavan Bhishmascha Karnascha Kripascha Samithim Jayaha Ashwattama Vikarnascha Saumadattis Tataivacha. This is shloka number 8. And shloka number 9. Anyecha Bahavaha Sura Madarte Tyakta Jivitaha Nana Shastra Praharanaha Sarva Yuddha Visharadaha. And shloka number 10. Aparyaptam tadasmakam bhalam bhishmabhirakshitam. Paryaptam tvam idam etesham balam bhimabhirakshitam. So these are the three shlokas today we are going to discuss. And once again, the main principle of today's discussion is how a leader should be. Leader doesn't mean, you are leading some huge, party, political party, or kind of a country, or, even in your house. Even you can lead your family members. Your small Bhakti Vriksha, your tiny satsang. You may be a project director in your office. Maybe you are leading a group of people in office. This principle can be applied at every part of your life. So, in the first shloka, Duryodhana is telling, why should we be worried? We have Dronacharya with us. We have Bhishma with us. We have Karna. We have Kripa. We have Ashwattama. We have Vikarna. We have Buri. He's telling a few names. And he is saying, when these people are with us, why should we be worried? Definitely we are going to win the battle. And in the next shloka he is telling, not only these great heroes, there are even more many people who are ready to give life for me. മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയില്ലേ, എനിക്ക് വേണ്ടി ജീവൻ കൊടുക്കാൻ വരെ ആൾക്കാരുണ്ട്. There are Tamil devotees also in the group. In Tamil Nadu கூட சொல்லுவாங்க, எனக்கு வேண்டி உயிரை கூட கொடுப்பாங்க. So he is just, Duryodhana is, just boasting that how powerful he is. Then in the third shloka he is telling, Why are you so worried about Pandavas who has got Bhima as a commander? He is nothing in front of Bhishma, our commander general. So these are the translation of these verses. Now we will see how diplomatic Duryodhana was. So that is why when we want to lead a group of devotees, lead a family, lead a small community, we should never use these tactics. Sometimes we speak lies to convince people, we give a different picture which is not real, and we become very diplomatic, saying sometimes some things and not saying some things. All this. This management is a demoniac management, and this will not be with us for a long time. This will create a very big damage in the family, very big damage in the office, and wherever we are applying. We should be so honest and genuine, even though at that moment we may get some negative effect, but we should not worry. We should simply do things by principle. For example, you take Vidura. விதுரரை நீங்க எடுத்துக்கோங்க. Take Vidura as an example. Duryodhana insulted Vidura so much. அத்தரைக்கும் துரியோதனன் விதுர மகாத்மாவினே இன்சல்ட் ஆயிரும். அதுக்கப்புறம் விதுரா விட்டுட்டு போயிட்டார். A beautiful thing happened in Vidura's life. He renounced his post, but he did not renounce his duty. அவர் அந்த பதவியை துறந்தாரே தவிர தன்னுடைய பணி சேவையை துறக்கவே இல்லை. He did not renounce his duty. He was instructing Dhritarashtra and he was continuing that. He never stopped that. Even after leaving the post, he continued to instruct Dhritarashtra. Such a beautiful person Vidura was. He was insulted so badly by Duryodhana. So this is a leader. Somehow, if we are very pure and we set an example, then people will follow us. By love and care, by faith, not by power. And in history you see all those people who controlled by power, they all disappeared. Because one day there will be even more superpower which will destroy this tiny power. So, very cunning Duryodhana was. So Duryodhana is telling, why should we fear? We have Bhishma. Because Duryodhana knows very well that Bhishma always had a soft corner to Pandavas. Even though Bhishma is with my side, in our Kuru's side, Kaurava's side, still in heart, Bhishma has got soft corner. But the other principle you see, love and care, Pandava's side, nobody was by power or fear, they were working under Yudhishthira. Yudhishthira கூட சண்டை போட்ட அரசர்கள் யாருமே பயந்து சண்டை போடல, பேடிச்சிட்டல்ல அவர் கூட நின்னது. ஒரு ரெஸ்பெக்ட் காரணம். They loved Yudhishthira so much. Managing by love is the real management. How does a cow give milk to calf? When the calf is brought in front of the cow and cow starts licking the calf, automatically out of love, the cow will start shedding drops of milk in the udder. அந்த கண்ணுக்குட்டி இருக்கிட்ட இருக்கிற அந்த அன்புனால பசுவை அந்த கண்ணுக்குட்டியை நக்கும் போதே பசுமாட்டோட மடியில பால் சுரக்கும். It's simply out of love. And in Bhagavatam, Krishna says, Lakshmi Devi, Bhumi Devi is in charge of this planet. She, out of love for Narayana, Bhumi Deviக்கு நாராயணன் எடுத்து വലിய ஒரு ஸ்நேகமான, she has so much of love for Narayana, and people are walking on Bhumi Devi, and those people who are walking on Bhumi are chanting Narayana's name. அந்த பூமியில நடக்கக்கூடியவர்களும் வாழ்பவர்களும் நாராயணரின் நாமத்தை உச்சரிப்பதினால் பூமி தேவி has so much of love for these devotees, like cow giving milk. Bhumi Devi is giving flowers and plants and vegetables and fruits and water. Everything comes out of the planet. So the whole underlying principle of managing this planet is love.